Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you candy blossom inspired outfit in Dress and Dress for Grow a Garden theme. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles, and for this hairstyle you're going to change the toggle to back and remove the flower, and you're going to color it with this blue color. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to the changing room right here, and then I'm going to select the codes item. Go to the codes item, and I'm going to select this dress, ice skating dress, and I'm going to apply this pink color. Okay, this is for the color code, and for the next one, I'm going to apply this pink color, and this one, oops, sorry, I'm going to change the toggle to 2. Okay, and let's go back to the color wheel. Okay, apply this pink color for the fourth selection, and again pink color. Okay, and for the last one, I'm just going to apply this pink color as well. Okay, and then I'm going to select this food. I'm going to make it pink for all the selections. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to make it okay, just make it default, and then I'm going to go to the currency items and choose the skirt, and then I'm going to make it skirt only, and we're going to apply this color. You're going to apply the same color, and don't forget to change the material to glitter. I'm just going to make them all glitter. But sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, and I'm going to go to the necklace area, and I'm going to choose this one, and I'm just going to make it blue for all the selections. Okay, it's done, and I'm going to move to this area, and I'm going to wear the stocking. I'm going to color it with this pink color, and also this one. Okay, I'm going to select the sleeves as well. We're going to make it pink, this pink color. Okay, and we're going to make it glitter. Okay, just make them all glitter like this, and I'm going to go to this Valentine updates box and choose this necklace, and I'm going to make it this green color. Okay guys, and sorry, I forgot one thing from the changing room. I'm going to choose the crown from the style showdown. Okay, this one, and I'm going to color it with this green color, with this blue color. Okay, and I think it's done. This is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.